Hello, we're going to show you how to clean a Starkey hearing aid today. We just had a patient that called in who was having some hard times doing this, but these ones are very similar to most other manufacturers, but we're going to show you how to do this Starkey. So the first thing you're going to want to do is wipe down the hearing aid. This little dome can come off, and it's just kind of like a rubber band. It just stretches over the end of the filter here. This little white piece is a tiny little filter, and so what we're going to do is change that out. What'll happen is you'll put it in a new battery. It still is going to sound like it's not working. It may be that the filter is plugged up. So you should have a little pack of filters like this. When you pull out this little stick, on one end it has the new filter. On the other end it's got kind of a little hook. So this barbed end, what we're going to do is use that to push in and pull out the old filter. So as I push in here, that's going to hook it and pull it out. We then flip it over and we'll put in the new filter. I usually push down on those a little bit just to be sure they're in there tight. And then the dome you can actually wipe down. You can kind of pinch these like a pencil eraser, kind of push the wax out. You could even clean these with soap and water if you need to, but as long as it's still in good shape, and once it's dry we can put it back on. And to put these back on, I'm just going to slide that over and kind of push that on nice and tight. When I kind of pull that up, you can see how it just stretches over. So that's how to clean that. The other thing we can do, your microphones are kind of under this piece in the back, so you can actually take a soft toothbrush and brush that out. I'd recommend doing it over the trash. This is a clean hearing aid, but sometimes they also give you a little tool like this, and it's kind of the same idea where you can brush it out, but that'll help get it all cleaned up. So those are a couple things you can do. These receivers just kind of push in, so you might want to just push in tight here and make sure that is pushed all the way in. But those are a couple things that you can do at home to kind of keep your hearing aid running. So if you've got filters, that's how to change those out on a Starkey.